We've had a lot of rain and humidity in the last week, and it has not allowed me to get this oil down. And in the meantime, I'm starting to get bluing, staining on the deck from mold. So you saw me last week, I power washed it. I did that again yesterday, got most of it back off, but there's still some. I'm just going to hit it with the sander because we're looking at 3 or 4 straight days of sunshine starting this afternoon. And I think so tomorrow my plan is to get some oil on this. So I'm going to keep sanding. So for instance, let me show you. I don't know if it really shows up, but like that deck board right there is kind of bluish looking. And then, I got some fork stains. I got some more bluing right there. So I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I am just going to, the stuff that's really bad. Not tonight. This is the day I've been looking forward to. We've got 5 gallons of Ready Seal. I'll show you the brand that I'm using, and we're going to try to shoot it down with the paint gun today. Tilt yours more.
Okay, I think they're getting beautiful.
Better than the OK Bones, meaner than a junkyard dog. Sanding. So we have all the timbers for the pavilion process now. Basically, I made 6x6s. Good morning, good morning, good morning, wherever you are. We have the 4 uprights for the pavilion in. They're just sitting in here loose right now. But let's show you what we're doing today. We're getting there. We're getting to the point where we're just about to start using the deck. It's been a long summer on this project. It's been very labor intensive. Processing all this white oak. Let's get some lights on in the garage here. Wife's going to help me today. We're going to start on the rafters now. I brought all the rafters up. If you recall, we cut up all the rafters out of maple. Everything's out of maple for this pavilion, which is hardwood, pretty hard. But here's all the... So we're going to get processing these, get them cleaned up. These are the carrier beams, if you recall. They're about 17 feet long. So we're going to start cutting these to some lengths that will work for us and run them through the planer. That little planer of mine, this is going to be tough. I'm going to do the same thing with these timbers for the rafters that I did for all the other lumber. I always like to round my edges. I think they look nice when you do that. Plus, you know, you jump up there to go to do a chin up or a pull up, you're not grabbing sharp corners. I can't do a lot of those anymore. A few I do. I can still do a few. That is it. Hey, these turned out really nice. I'm very happy with them. I only sanded the one side, so there's only going to be one side you'll see. The other side will be up. The rafters and carrier beam cross ties. 198 inches, so that doesn't leave me much. Darn it, I was hoping to get a little bit more of this crack out of here on both ends. Okay. These beams are ready for stain. I don't think there's anything else. They're not perfect, but they turned out pretty good. So I have all these pockets. The router sunk a little bit, but that's fine. It won't be seen. Upright pocket. This is for the 45s that go on an angle back to the uprights. The cross tie pockets. There's 3, 4, 5 of those. You can see on the other side. And I think tomorrow's supposed to be sunshine all day tomorrow, so then we can get some stain on it. And then hopefully we can put it up the next day. Thursday. Here we go. Thursday it is. all set up. Today's the big day. I said Thursday it happens. I'm gonna start putting that up. I think we're centered pretty good, Jim.
I think so too.
All right, my hand's way back here. Ready?
Nope.
Oh,
Okay.
we're done. Are you ready?
Yep.
This one. Oh.
I'll try to pull it up.
I'll just leave it at that for now. Very, very pleased. And thanks, Jim, for giving me a hand today. He's coming back tomorrow. We're going to finish this up. So we got 3 of the rafters up. But boy, is it looking good. Let's take a couple views of it. So that 2x4 going across right there, that definitely will come out. That was just to put together to see how it goes. Cut the rafter tails and then decking across it. Then I got to put the 45 gussets all the way around. I got 8 of those to put on, and then we're just about done. Get the rails on the deck. So guys, that'll do it. Stop by next week and let's see where we're at on this deck build. All right, take care. Have a good one.